Hey, hello students and welcome in chemistry lecture. Today we are going to see how to write your chemistry lab manual. So this is your level 9 chemistry lab manual. So I'll tell you step by step all the guidelines how to write your lab manual. Okay. So let's see. So this is your first page. You are going to write your name, your school, roll number and class. Okay. So this is your first page. Now here is your index. Here is your index. You are going to write as such index. This index is already in a printed form. You are going to write as such index over here. If it is not complete over here, you can use backside page also. Correct? Means you have not finished on first page. You can use this page also. If you require more space, you can use this space also. So you are going to write these 6 experiments on this index as such. Okay. First, to identify, here you write 1, to identify the gas produced by various method. To identify the gas produced by various method. Okay. Till now, don't write date. I will give you date, and about page I will inform you later. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. This index you are going to do as such, copy and paste over here. You can use this page as well as this and as well as this page. If your writing is in a large handwriting, correct, so you can use these things. Now come to this page. So this is your experiment number 1. Now what things you are going to write and what you are not going to write, that I am going to tell you. So okay, so this is your experiment number 1. So I'll explain you how to write. Now don't write over here anything. Okay, just leave this page as such. Start from here. So okay, what I said, don't write anything on this page, just turn this page back. Okay, here. So on this margin, in this margin you are going to write experiment number 1. You are going to write experiment number 1. Okay, next is your aim. Next is what? Aim of the experiment, that you are going to write over here. Either you can leave 1 line or 2 line, up to you. Okay, but I'll suggest you to leave only 1 line. So here you will make some star or whatever you want to write, dot, star, that things. Here you write aim of the experiment. Whatever the aim of the experiment, that you are going to write over here. Okay, after that leave 1 line. Okay, then next will come apparatus and chemicals. Apparatus and chemicals. After 1 line, you are going to write apparatus and chemicals. Whatever the required apparatus and chemicals, that you are going to write. Okay. After that, next is your method, or we can say procedure. Leave 1 line again and write your method and procedure. Whatever space you require, you can use this page. Correct. Now, this observation table. Whatever the observation table, you are not going to write on this page. Okay. Whatever observation table in your lab manual, you are going to write only on blank page. Okay, this is your blank page. Correct. So the framework, okay, means the borders, the columns and all things, that you are going to write with pencil, and whatever the content in that observation table, that you are going to write with pen. Okay, the side borders and all things, that you are going to write draw with pencil, and whatever the content, for example observation table, so that you are going to write with pen. Observation table. Okay, you are going to make like this column, correct, serial number as such column you are going to make over here. Okay, and that column you are going to draw with pencil, and whatever the writing things, that you are going to write with pen. Okay, you are going to write with pen. Now in some case, if that observation table is not complete over here, you require more space, you can change this page, you can draw that observation table over here. Same goes for your writing material. If I am writing more things, procedure around, it required more page, that you are going to write over here. Suppose I have started experiment number 1, okay, and my writing things goes till this page. Okay, now I have to start next experiment, so I will turn this page. Okay, and I'll start new experiment on new page. So here my second experiment will come. Whatever the writing things, that will come, observation table will come on this page. Again one more case you will suffer. Okay, let's See that chances also. For example, I am writing observation table over here. It is not completed here. I require more space. I am going to draw observation table over here. Again, if it is not completed on this page, you can use this page. You can continue your observation table till that. If you require more space, you can come up to this page. Now suppose here your experiment number 1 is done. Now you have to start experiment number 2. Don't start experiment number 2 over here, because here already your observation table of experiment number 1. So if I want to start experiment number 2, that I am going to start on this page. So here my experiment number 2 will come, that observation table will come over here. Again you require more space, you can turn back, you use this page. You require more, you use this page. After this done, now experiment number 3, it will come on new page. The experiment will come here and that observation will on this page. Okay, so these are the basic things I am going to explain you again. Now, what the things you are going to write and what things you are not going to write. So this is your experiment number 1. Aim of the experiment to identify the gas produced by various methods. So what the things you are going to write in this? You are going to write experiment number 1, okay, in a margin. Then after that you are going to write aim of the experiment, whatever the given things. Don't write theory. You are not going to write theory. So cross it. You are not going to write theory. Next, apparatus and chemicals. Yes, you have to write apparatus and chemicals. Next, method. Yes, you are going to write method. Correct. The most important, next, you are not going to draw this observation table. Okay, cross this one. You are not going to draw this observation table. So from this experiment, you are going to write experiment number, aim, apparatus and chemicals, and method. Now which observation table you are going to draw? You are going to draw these observation, okay, observation table for the identification of gases, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, chlorine, hydrogen chloride, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, water vapor, and nitrogen dioxide. So this observation table you are going to draw, correct? So for example, here I'll write observation table. Draw your observation table, columns and rows, all things with pencil, and then start writing. Okay, so first will come serial number, experiment, observation, and inference. You are going to draw vertical. You are not going to write horizontal. You are going to write as such. Okay, vertical means vertical only. So your vertical columns will come. All things will be as such. Okay, so you are going to write all test for hydrogen, means hydrogen, then oxygen, then carbon dioxide, chlorine, this, your HCl, SO2, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, water vapor, and NO2 gas, nitrogen dioxide. So this all test will come on your observation table. Okay, this you are going to write on blank page. If you require 2 blank page, use it. If you require 3 blank page, use it. Okay, no matter. So this here we have done with first experiment. Okay, you are not going to write these viva questions and all the things. Okay, what you are going to write? Experiment name, experiment number, aim, apparatus and chemicals, method. Don't draw this table. You are going to draw directly this table on blank page. Okay, so these things will come, these things, and this reaction. So here we have done with first experiment. Whatever pages you required, okay, take that page. Now new experiment will come on new page. So this is your experiment number 2. You are going to write aim of the experiment, apparatus and chemicals, procedure. You are going to write aim, apparatus and chemicals, procedure. Then you are going to draw this observation table. Now from this I have omitted some reactions, so don't write that one. So you are going to write first observation light green powder. You are going to write this one. Don't write this second wala. Okay, don't write second. Don't write third. Directly write fourth. Don't write fifth one. Don't write sixth one. Write 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 will finish over here. But don't give as such number. You are going to write number serial wise. For example, see, I am writing first this light green powder. Then what I have said, don't write second and third. After that, what you are going to write? You are going to write fourth wala. So this you are going to give number second. Okay, this is your second test. So this will be your first test. This will be your second. Then third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So you are going to write sixth test. Okay. What you are going to write? Aim, apparatus, procedure, observation table, first test, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's it, 6 tests done. So this experiment done. Now come to next. This is your experiment number 3. Experiment number 3, you are going to write aim of the experiment, apparatus and chemicals, and procedure. Correct? Now on blank page, we'll see here diagram was there. Okay. So diagram is there. So I'll tell you, don't draw the diagram. Okay. Don't draw diagram. So what you're going to do, you're going to write don't draw diagrams. Okay. Aim of the experiment, apparatus and chemicals, procedure. On blank page, directly what you're going to draw, you're going to draw observation table. Don't draw apparatus, just see one's diagram. Okay. So you're going to draw this observation table up to this. Here this experiment done. Okay. Experiment number 3. Correct? Aim of the experiment, apparatus, procedure, and observation table. It will come on blank page. Now come to next, experiment number 4. Experiment number 4. Okay. Aim of the experiment, then apparatus and chemicals, procedure. You are going to write procedure. Then your observation table. You are going to write observation table. Precautions, you are going to write precautions. Okay, after once you finish your procedure, after that start precaution. These precautions are important. You are going to write precautions also. So in this experiment you are going to write aim, apparatus and chemicals, procedure, observation table on blank page, and you are going to write precautions. Okay, next is your experiment number 5. Experiment number 5. Now what you are going to write? You are going to write aim of the experiment, apparatus A, to identify the hardness of water, B, softening of temporary hard water, softening of permanent hard water. You are going to write these things. A identifies B, B1, B2, and here C. Okay. Aim, apparatus A, B, B1, B2, and B3. And on blank page you are going to draw observation table 1. This is your observation table 1 and this is your observation table 2. You can draw one by one, means above and below. Okay, on one page also. If you require 2 page, you can use 2 page. Okay, but on one page also you can write. If you require 2 page, you can write on 2 page. Correct? So this is observation table 1. This is observation table 2. What you are going to write material? Aim and experiment number 5, aim of the experiment, apparatus, chemicals, this A, B1 and 2, and this is your C. Here we have done with 5th experiment. Now the last experiment, experiment number 6, we are going to write aim of the experiment, apparatus, chemical, procedure. Okay, then A will come. Okay, A, these things, sewage and domestic wastage, then industrial effluents, that you are going to write, and test for acidic alkaline nature. Done. What you are going to write? This A, 1, 2 and 3. And on blank page you are going to draw this observation table. You are going to draw this observation table and this observation table. Let's label, this is observation table 1 and this is observation table 2. Okay, if you require 2 different pages, you can write on 2 pages. Okay, on first blank page this one, on second blank page this one. And theory, what theory you are going to write? You are going to write experiment number, aim of experiment, apparatus, chemicals, procedure, A, 1, 2 and 3. These things will come on your line pages where you are having line. Okay, that's it. Don't write these things in your means in journal. Don't write these things. Okay, you are going to write only this observation table. So I have already explained you. You are going to don't use this page. You are going to write directly on this page experiment number, aim, chemical apparatus, then whatever your procedure, then whatever the theory, it will come like this here. Okay, and observation table you are going to draw on this page. Whatever observation table you are going to draw on this page. If you require more space, you can write over here. If you require more, you can come on this page. Okay, but next experiment you are going to write on next page. So here will come next experiment and the observation table will come on this page. Okay, if you require theory, use this page. More theory, use this page. Okay, but again for new experiment, here new experiment, and here your observation table will come. Okay, you are going to write with your black pen. Okay, you are going to use black pen for writing your lab manual. Okay, so here we have done with all guidelines. If you have any doubt, any query, you can mail me, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can directly ask me in online lecture. Correct? So till that, thank you so much and have a good day.